Multilogin is a reliable tool for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we'll create isolated browser profiles with built-in proxies to manage your Discord accounts. First, open your Workspace. Multilogin's UI is beginner-friendly and provides drag-and-drop organization with handy shortcuts. From the dashboard, click Create to add a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear and recognizable name. Use tags and notes to keep profiles organized. This is especially useful if you manage multiple communities, moderation accounts, team spaces, or client projects. Next, choose how the profile should open, along with the operating system environment and browser core. If needed, you can select mobile browser emulation for a mobile-based Discord setup. Now open the Proxy tab. First, choose Multilogin as your proxy provider, then select residential or mobile proxies. Select your proxy location down to the city level. Multilogin gives you access to 30 million IPs across 150+ countries. If needed, choose an ISP to match natural network conditions. Click Check Proxy to make sure the connection is working properly before continuing. Next, review and adjust the fingerprint settings if needed. Multilogin uses over 55 fingerprint parameters to help profiles appear as real users. If you plan to create more profiles later, save this configuration as a template for quick reuse. Click Create to complete your setup. Your new Discord profile is now ready to launch. Need multiple profiles? Use the quick AI actions to batch create profiles. Type AI in the search bar to enable AI mode. After that, simply prompt which profiles you need. If nothing else is specified, new profiles will be created in your current folder. If needed, you can then adjust the settings of your new profiles. Assign tags to your new profiles so you don't get lost. You can also clone profiles if needed via the dashboard button. Each profile will have the same settings but remain isolated. Now let's launch your first profile. A window will open showing your setup. Check your IP, time zone, and browser details to confirm everything is correct. Log in or create your Discord accounts using an isolated browser profile without the risk of linking between your accounts. Thanks for watching. For more, visit our website and YouTube channel. Start using Multilogin today to manage multiple Discord accounts and reduce the risk of bans.